Welcome to day 79 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Today we will learn about tips to improve your presentation skills. Practice. Though it is difficult in packed schedule, always find some time to practice. Write down your speech in the way you will be delivering. Practice it by standing up, sitting down, arms open wide, on one leg, and so on. The more you get comfortable with different position, you will be comfortable on the stage. Record and listen. It will give you the essence of how it feels when others listen to you. Become an audience first. When you're a part of a conference, attend earlier talks of other presenters, which will help you with some context. You will be able to analyze the mood of the audience. Is the audience are really engaging, having fun, or are they more stiff? You might come across a situation where you will be hearing a similar thing that you have prepared. This will help you to play off later in your own presentation. Be early. It is best to allow some time early to settle down before you speak. The extra time ensures you are not late. At the same time, you will get adapted to the presentation space. The more adjusted you are to the space, you will be feeling more comfortable. Meet and greet. Do your best to chat with people. Talking with audience makes you seem more approachable and likable. Always have a positive visualization. Don't ever think I'm gonna be terrible out there. Positive thoughts can be incredibly effective. Take some deep breaths to send oxygen to your brain and relax your body. Smile. Smiling increases endorphin, replacing anxiety with calm and makes you feel good. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to lead in 100 days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ayankuti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.